Hello everybody. Welcome to the very first video of our YouTube channel CodeX. On this channel, you'll be getting regular content regarding various programming languages, tips and tricks to remember codes easily, and most importantly how to do anything with full enthusiasm. In today's video, we'll be looking at how to download Visual Studio Code, or popularly known as VS Code. So, let's begin. First of all, you need to open any internet browser, like I'm using Google Chrome, and type VS Code install. Click on Download Visual Studio Code. Now, you need to select according to your device. As I'm on Windows, so I'll click on the Windows option. If you're on Mac or Linux, you may select accordingly. Please ensure you're downloading the latest version. As soon as you click on download, you can see your file is getting downloaded. After a successful download, click on it. You can read the agreement if you wish. Click on I accept the agreement and click Next. Make sure to select all the options to avoid any inconvenience. Further, click on Next, and now you can see that in a few seconds your VS Code will be downloaded successfully. Open VS Code and you can begin writing your codes and executing them. By doing this, you are taking your very first step in the coding world. You can modify your VS Code according to your likes and preference. You can change the theme, and you can download designable icons. You need to download a few extensions in accordance with the language you are using. I am using the Winter is Coming theme for the last few weeks, and I find it quite unique. So, it's totally your choice. I hope you guys liked the video, so don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification button to get notified about our next video. Until then, see you guys.